Loads of old people like me out there say that you youngsters are lazy, but I know it's not true, and you know it's not true. So how are you gonna prove it? One of the ways you can prove it right now is to get out there and volunteer. If you're looking for a job, volunteer to get some real world hands-on experience without the pressure of a paid position. You can learn workplace norms, communication skills, and a little bit of professional contact while contributing to your local community. You're going to develop your skills, you're going to try different roles, it's going to be brilliant, you're going to network, you're going to talk to different people, you never know who you might meet. Most jobs, did you know this, most jobs are not advertised. There's only about 10% of jobs out there go to the job boards. You're much more likely to get a job by knowing a friend of a friend. So get out there. And obviously, if I'm an employer, who am I going to pick? Am I going to pick someone that's been sitting on their bottom at home playing computer games, or someone that's got out there and volunteered in their local charity shop? Good luck, everyone. Let me know what you think. What's the downside of volunteering?